Hello, my lovely little sixth graders. Hope you're enjoying your time at home and getting your work done during the school time. Hey, I wanted to just kind of talk through what your job at home was going to be today. Today, you are justifying the rules that you submitted yesterday after you finished your second round of experiments. And let me explain a little bit about what that looks like. Anybody can make up a set of rules for a game. I don't know if you've ever played a game with a toddler, but they tend to make up their own rules as it goes. So it's kind of like an I win kind of a game. So in science, it doesn't work that way. When you make up a set of rules, you have to be able to back up your set of rules with justification. The last 2 days you were in the classroom, you did experiments. The first day you knew if you were doing an experiment on a chemical change or a physical change because it told you on the data chart. The second day, it didn't tell you whether it was a physical change or a chemical change. You had to use your rules to decide whether you thought it was a physical change or a chemical change, and you had to explain why. Today, while you're working from home, you're going to justify those rules. So your guiding question still is, what set of rules would we use to distinguish between chemical and physical changes? The last day, fill in the table to justify the rules you decided on in lab yesterday and be able to justify your rules by telling me which lab supports your rules. So as you're looking, you're going to have your final rules in this column right here. Here, a physical change might be indicated by what are your rules. A chemical change might be indicated by what are your rules. But then you have to look back on this side to find the data that supports your rules. So my expectations of your work for today, you're going to list your final 4 physical changes might be indicated by rules, and your final 4 chemical changes might be indicated by rules. But then you're also going to put over here, whatever rule you put here, which lab supported that rule. So in the 2 days we were doing labs, which lab showed you, or labs showed you that this was going on. So now you need to have a finalized set of physical change and chemical change rules. I know a physical change has happened because I saw this. I know a chemical change has happened because I saw this. Then in that second column, which lab did we do in the 2 days we worked on labs that supported that? The next time you're back in the building, we will cut and copy something into your notebook. So make sure you have your glue and your scissors. And I will give you the list of rules for chemical change and rules for physical change. And we'll see how close you guys got. I am super proud of you guys on this first lab that you really did in class. You did a great job. You all participated. You all worked really hard. I'm super proud. And I can't wait to see if you got all the rules for a physical change and all the rules for a chemical change. I will see you soon. Bye, guys. Love you.